friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. I am so glad we have found each other. My house is a little bit of a train wreck, so we need to give it a little bit of TLC. I neglected it because we were gone for a weekend, so when I came home I was tired and I just threw things down. So today we are going to be cleaning and organizing as well as decorating my house because I was lucky enough to go shopping in Iowa. I am going to show you everything that I got from Hobby Lobby.
I don't need you here to feel good.
We had to travel to go see some family, and luckily we had gone just as Iowa was opening up, so I took advantage of Hobby Lobby opening and they had 50% off wall decor. I'm gonna show you what I grabbed that day. I have had my eye on this sign for a while. It is a drawing of eucalyptus. It is so pretty. It was originally $40, so I got this for $20 because it was 50% off. I got this pretty neutral wreath for $14. It just has some little white flower details. Very neutral, so very me. This white W was also half off because it counts as wall decor since it can hang up. A W is so hard to come by, and I wanted a W for the wedding because we're getting married by our fireplace, so I'm trying to find different ways to decorate that. So this oversized W was perfect because I can use it in the wedding and as house decor. I just thought this cute little sign was cute. It says, "Bless the food before us and the love between us, amen." So I'm just gonna probably command hook this to one of the cabinets. I'm gonna try to find a spot for this in the kitchen. It was super cute and I need some color in my life, so the pops of pink are perfect. This was originally $22, so I got it for $11. The last thing I got from Hobby Lobby was this. I've actually had my eye on this for a while, and I've been struggling to decide what to put in my other entryway, so this is gonna go there. I also went to Lowe's and got some new light globes because the ones that came with the house were very outdated and a new light fixture just wasn't quite in the budget right now. So I thought I would save some money and get new globes, and it created a totally new look. They were only $7 each. To tidy up just a little bit before I started decorating, just to make sure I had everything in place so that when I put up all of my decorations, I knew what they would look like whenever the house was nice and clean. Also, it just helps me to have a nice, tidy, clean house. After being away for a long weekend, we really neglected putting everything away, so I just went ahead and tidied everything up, and I also had to take care of my houseplant because the poor thing did not have water for probably 5 days. So I made sure to give my plant a little bit of extra love too before I got started with other things. At the end of my entryway. To the right is my kitchen and to the left is the pantry door, so it's not a huge wall. It was the perfect size for the eucalyptus sign, so that is the first thing I hung up. I was most excited to get that hung up. As soon as I bought this sign, I knew exactly where it was going, so I just put one nail on the wall and added that to the nail, made sure it was nice and level. And of course, in the process of getting this hung up, I got fingerprints all over the frame. You could see them clear as day, so I just went ahead and cleaned the glass with glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth. The cleaning process caused the frame to move, so I had to re-level it a couple of times. But once I got done cleaning this, I realized I had not cleaned my other picture frames in a good long while. So after I got done cleaning this frame, I went into my dining room, living room area, and I cleaned off the picture frames in my gallery wall. Again, I'm just using some glass cleaner I had on hand. I think it's great value brand, but I always use a microfiber cloth because that gets the fingerprints and the dust right off. Up next is this cute wall art that has baking utensils on it. I was really sad because I thought I had enough wall room in my kitchen to hang it up, but I didn't. So I just replaced the Magnolia Table cookbook with this. I think it's the perfect pop of color, and I just moved the cookbook over by my KitchenAid, so it is still displayed. I absolutely love how this turned out. I was a little skeptical about putting decorations on the side of my cabinet, but I thought I would just go for it, and I'm really happy with how this turned out. So this cute little $6 sign I just hung up with a command hook. I knew I didn't want to put nails in the cabinets, so command hooks are definitely the way to go for anything you don't want to be permanent. This turned out to be super cute. I'm really happy that I did it. The wreath that was on the pantry door was from Hearth and Hand. It just stuck out from the door too much, and occasionally I hit my head on it, so I just replaced it with this one from Hobby Lobby because this wreath lays flat against the door, so that is perfect. I wasn't sure what to do with my W, and this space is getting revamped soon, so I just put it here temporarily. I had debated buying this sign for a while. I've had my eye on it for at least 6 months. I just wasn't sure where I was going to put it, so I finally just decided to buy it since it was 50% off, and it was the perfect piece for the entryway from the garage. I just made sure the sign was level, marked where my nails were going to go, and then put the nails in the wall. I'm not always perfect at this. There have been many times where I have put a nail in the wall and then it was unlevel, or maybe I spaced the nails too far apart. I am definitely not perfect at hanging things up. You can ask Austin about that. He knows all about the holes in the wall, and the gallery wall that is in between the living room and the dining room took me about 3 hours because I kept getting the holes in the wrong places. So if you mess up the holes with a nail, it's all right. Just get some spackle, put it on there, paint over it, and restart, because I have to do that a lot. Very happy with how this sign turned out. Once I got it up, I made sure it was level again. I always double, triple check to make sure it's level. And I just put the magnolia wreath on there for now, but I'm hoping to maybe get a hanging basket or maybe a hanging planter, something different to put here because I have a wreath on the hooks on my other entryway. So I'm happy with this for now. I'm really glad I bought the sign. The last piece I have to show you is this runner. It is from Target and it is only $22. You guys have got to jump on this. I will make sure to link it below. It is also non-slip, so it is perfect for any hallway or your kitchen. Now that all of my decorations are up, my kitchen is a little bit less cluttered, and I got the fun stuff out of the way, so now I have to do the chores. Whenever we get home from a long weekend, we typically just dump all of our stuff on the floor in the kitchen or in the bedroom, and we call it a day and we handle it the next couple of days. So what I'm doing now is just putting all of the dog stuff away. I'm pretty sure I pack way more for them than I do for myself. So it takes me quite a few minutes to get their stuff put away. And then I'm just getting rid of any extra clutter or trash that we have on the bars. I also had to take care of some dishes from the previous night, so I just made sure the kitchen was nice and tidy, and then I moved on to my office, which was also a wreck. My office is definitely my drop and go room, so I do a lot of studying in here. It's where I store a bunch of my extra decor, so I will just toss pins in here, papers, random decor, so that causes my desk to become very cluttered. I am desperately needing to organize the inside of my desk, but that's going to happen another day when I'm motivated to do so. So on days like this, whenever I have a lot to do and I'm tired from a long weekend, I'll just make sure that the top of my desk is uncluttered, organize a little bit, mainly just do some light cleaning and organizing. As long as it's nice and tidy, I am happy. I'm not sure how long that gift bag has been sitting on the floor, but I know it's been a while. I keep all of my gift bags and tissue paper in this Christmas box. I'm actually going to have to get a bigger box here soon, but I always reuse gift bags and tissue paper, tags, anything gift related, so I just organize them all in one box and reuse them for later. Very happy when my office is clean. I got these arches from Hobby Lobby a while ago and I wanted them for the bedroom, but they didn't match very well, so I thought I'd put them in here. I think I'm going to paint them. I'm not sure. This office really needs a facelift, but I'll get to that soon. I'm pretty happy with it for now. I got a late start on making the bed today, so I just went ahead and tidied up the bedroom the best I could. The suitcases were laying on the floor, so after I made the bed, I separated the dirty clothes and the clean clothes and started a load of laundry, and after that, I was pretty much done for the day. Is finally coming together. We got this patio set from Kroger for only $500, and for a 6-seater with a metal table, that is a steal. So I will try to find a link for it and put it in the description box if I can find a link, but I'm planning to put up some lights out here and maybe get some more furniture. I definitely need to add some more flowers, but I'm just happy we have somewhere we can sit now. We also got a lantern. I will also have it linked below. It's just battery powered. I'm going to put it on the table whenever it's not raining, and it actually provides quite a bit of light for at night. So I got that from Walmart. I will link that in the description box below. I'm pretty happy with the patio for now, but I cannot wait to continue decorating it. A clean home is is a happy home, and I am definitely stress-free now that my house is nice and tidy. Every corner I turn has a new decoration, so I'm always walking in the hallway with a smile on my face. I also have a lot more decor coming in the mail, and all of my decor in the dining room, the bedroom is totally going to be revamped. You do not want to miss that, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on my future decoration videos, which will be coming up probably next week. Also, you can subscribe for cleaning motivation and my Magnolia Monday, which I will link below. Don't forget to find me on Instagram for daily motivation, tips, DIYs, and just life updates. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. Stay happy and stay healthy.